Hi and welcome to the UrbanDrop Merchant Portal. In this short video, we'll show you how to set your shop's availability schedule or automate the open and close time for your shop. From your dashboard, head over to the Store tab on the left-hand menu. Once you're in the Store section, scroll down to the Open and Close Time section. That's where you'll configure your schedule. On this page, you'll see a daily schedule layout. Each day of the week has a toggle that allows you to switch the day on or off, depending on whether you're open. For the days you're open, you can use the drop-down menus next to each day to set your opening and closing times. To make things faster, if your store is open every day, just click the link at the bottom that says Open All Days. This will toggle all days on for you. Do you operate within standard hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.? There's another quick option. Simply click the toggle for standard 9 to 5, and it will automatically fill in those times for each open day. Once you finish setting everything up, don't forget to hit Save Schedule at the bottom of the page. And that's it. Your store hours are now set and ready to go. The schedules you have set will automatically control your shop's open and close schedule. Thanks for watching.
UrbanDrop, where tradition meets convenience.